Spit. How to play. The object of this two-player card game is to be the first player to get rid of all of your cards. Pick a dealer who shuffles a standard 52-card deck of playing cards, then deals out all the cards to the players one at a time. Each player takes their cards and deals them out into 5 stockpiles, with the first stockpile containing 1 card, the second stockpile containing 2 cards, the third 3, the fourth 4, and the fifth 5. Flip over the top card of each stockpile face up. Each player places their remaining cards face down next to them to form their spit cards, which they may not look at. Once both players are ready, they each say spit, and simultaneously flip the top card of their spit cards face up to the center of the table between them, forming 2 separate spit piles. There are no turns. All play happens simultaneously. Using only one hand and moving only 1 card at a time, you can play your face-up cards from the top of your stockpiles onto either spit pile. To do so, the card's rank must be either 1 higher or 1 lower than the top visible card. Suit and color do not matter. An ace is higher than a king and lower than a 2, so either a king or 2 may be played on an ace. When a stockpile's top card is face down, flip that card face up. If you have an empty stockpile, you may move any face-up card into that empty space. You can never have more than 5 stockpiles. Once you completely place a card in a move, you may not undo that play, and you must play if possible. If no player can make a play, then both players say spit, and simultaneously flip 1 card from their spit cards face up onto their originally played spit pile, and play continues. Once one player has played all of their stock cards, they slap either spit pile with their hand and the round ends. That slapping player collects the cards they slapped, regardless of how few cards there might be, and adds them to their spit cards, while their opponent adds the other spit pile and their remaining stockpiles to their spit cards. Both players shuffle their cards and deal out another round the same as before. Once one player has fewer than 15 cards, that player will not be able to deal a complete set of stockpiles. In this case, that player deals the cards into 5 stockpiles as far as they will go, and turns over the top card of each. However, that player can no longer spit, so there will only be 1 spit pile started by the other player. Then, when that single spit pile is slapped, the other player will collect those cards. The first player to completely run out of their cards is the winner. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Check out playingcarddecks.com for an awesome variety of playing cards, and be sure to use my promo code TSG for 10% off your entire order.